Happy Sarbay! Nasi-set up pa lang yung Sarbay. Andito na po tayo. Ayan, the stage of Sarbay. My official soundtrack. Hi. Hi, Miss Anne.
Hi. How are you? Happy Sarbay.
Yes.
Come here na sa Reyes Beach.
24 to 20. Layo kayo, no? Pero okay ra. Kung nakiko, ano? Coco. So, ano lang siya, tapad lang siya sa Coco Beach.
Yes.
Coco Beach. Hi, sir. Kumusta po ang ating interview? Sir Joseph.
It would be exciting and thrilling.
Wow, thrilling! Check ka sa tong beach because it's beaching. It's beaching. This is Reyes Beach. And sabi nila maganda rito yung view ng sunset later. At i-enjoy natin siya dito. Oo. It's not yet the beach party proper kasi it's still May 22. The Sarbay will open on Friday, May 24 hanggang Sunday na po yan, May 26. So, at least na-enjoy po natin ang Reyes Beach nang walang kahit ano-ano. Nang walang kahit ano-anong mga tao. Kasi for sure, this will be the full pack, the most full pack na Sarbay experience ever. Actually, hindi pa ako nakapag-Sarbay, no? Ever. In case this would be my first pagpupunta ako sa Sarbay. And I don't know what to expect kasi I don't do parties. But let's see. I think it would be fun. And wala na ako yung nakitaan nga taga Sarangani PI. Tawag-tawag siya. Anyway, meanwhile, ang ganda doon ng spot to. Tingnan nyo naman. No? Kahit ako gusto ko nang maligaw ngayon with the white beach of Glan, Sarangani Province. Ang ganda. Gusto kong magpaa. Kasi hindi pa ito nagpaa. Tingnan naman. Punta tayo sa dagat and you can hear the waves. Diba? Mawa na yan. I have crossed the horizon to find you. Ang ganda ng dagat. Ganda ng dagat, oh. The white sand beach of Gumasa. So if you are interested in coming to the Sarbay Festival, Sarbay Fest, May 24 to 26 ang ating Sarbay Festival. So see you here in Reyes Beach, Glan, Sarangani Province. At tara na, makisarbay ka. Hala!